What's up, RoboZoo crew? I spent all weekend on this and I'm super excited to share with you how to unleash your creativity and build an epic house in Minecraft using Python. The trick I wish someone had shown me is how to connect Python to Minecraft without any hassle. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to connect Python to Minecraft and use the mcpi library to auto-build an amazing house. Here's how we'll do it. First, we need to connect Python to Minecraft. This means we'll use a special library called mcpi that lets our Python code talk to the Minecraft game. Next, we'll use a function called mcsetBlock to build our house. This function is like a magic wand that places blocks in the game world. 3. We'll use loops to build the walls of our house. A loop is like a merry-go-round that repeats the same action over and over. Then, we'll add windows and a door using if/else statements. An if/else statement is like a decision maker that says, if this is true, do that. 5. Finally, we'll run our script and watch our house appear in seconds. It's like magic, but it's all thanks to our awesome coding skills. Let's start with the basics. We need to import the mcpi library and connect to the Minecraft game. Code: import mcpi.minecraft as Minecraft, mc equals Minecraft, minecraft.create. Great job! You've just connected Python to Minecraft. Now, let's build the foundation of our house. We'll use a loop to place blocks in a square shape. Code: for x in range, 10 for z in range, 10 mcsetBlock, x, 0, z, 1. You're doing fantastic. Our house is starting to take shape. Next, we'll add walls using another loop. Code: for x in range, 10 for y in range, 5 mcsetBlock, x, y, 5, 1. Keep going. You're almost there. Now, let's add some windows and a door. We'll use if/else statements to decide where to place them. Code: for x in range, 10 for z in range, 10 if x equals 5 and z equals 5, mcsetBlock, x, 2, z, 0, l if x equals 3 and z equals 5, mcsetBlock, x, 2, z, 0, l if x equals 7 and z equals 5, mcsetBlock, x, 2, z, 0. Great job! Our house is looking awesome. Finally, let's add a roof and some torches inside. Code: for x in range, 10 for z in range, 10 mcsetBlock, x, 5, z, 1, mcsetBlock, x, 1, z, 50. You've done it. You've built an epic house in Minecraft using Python. So, what did we build? We built a complete house with walls, a roof, windows, a door, and torches inside. What can you try next? You can try changing the design of your house, adding more rooms, or even building an entire city. The possibilities are endless, and it's all up to your imagination and coding skills. Keep coding, and remember, you've got this. Now that you've got a solid grasp of the basics, it's time to put your new skills to the test. In this section, we'll provide you with some fun challenges to try on your own. Challenge: try to create a simple calculator that can add, subtract, multiply, and divide two numbers. You can use the concepts we covered earlier, such as variables, data types, and operators. See if you can make it work. Next, try to create a simple game where the user has to guess a random number between 1 and 10. You can use conditional statements and loops to make it happen. Lastly, try to create a simple chatbot that can respond to basic user inputs, such as hello or goodbye. You can use strings and conditional statements to make it work. As you work on these challenges, you might encounter some common mistakes that beginners make. Don't worry, we've all been there. One common mistake is forgetting to declare variables before using them. To fix this, simply make sure to declare your variables at the top of your code, and assign them a value before using them. Another common mistake is using the wrong data type for a variable. For example, if you're trying to store a number in a variable, make sure to use a numeric data type, such as an integer or a float. If you're trying to store a string, make sure to use a string data type. What you learned today. Here's a quick summary of what you learned today. Asterisk the basics of coding, including variables, data types, and operators. Asterisk how to use conditional statements and loops to control the flow of your code. Asterisk how to create simple functions to reuse code. Asterisk how to debug your code and fix common mistakes. We're so proud of you for making it this far. Now, we want to see what you've built. Please comment below and tell us about your projects. What did you create? What challenges did you face, and how did you overcome them? If you like this tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe for the next tutorial in the series. We'll be covering more advanced topics, such as object-oriented programming and file input-output. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.